What are TikTok Shop videos? TikTok Shop videos are short, engaging clips created by sellers or influencers to promote products directly within the TikTok platform. These videos combine entertainment with e-commerce, encouraging viewers to discover, engage with, and purchase products seamlessly. Each video includes a product tag or shopping link that takes users straight to the product page, making it easy to buy without ever leaving the app. These videos are designed to capture attention quickly through creative storytelling, visual appeal, and authenticity. Sellers use them to showcase features, demonstrate product use, or highlight benefits in real time. With TikTok's algorithm favoring engaging content, well-made videos can reach massive audiences, increase brand exposure, and boost conversion rates effectively. Many professional sellers enhance their TikTok Shop video strategy using Helium 10 to analyze trending keywords, track product performance, and find content ideas that attract the right audience. Helium 10's data-driven insights help sellers understand what's resonating with viewers and adjust their video strategy accordingly. The combination of TikTok's creative platform and Helium 10's analytics ensures steady, measurable growth for every seller. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to track video performance, find winning products, and grow your TikTok shop effortlessly at no cost.